Hey everybody, this is Captain Mark Henderson with Taco Marine and the Liquid Fire Fishing Team. We're here today at Mike Janown's boat. He's the publisher and editor of Florida Sport Fishing Magazine. He's got an amazing boat. It's a CV390Z, and we're going to show you how to install this cool little feature right here. It's called a Taco Outrigger line tensioner. Makes your life a lot easier when offshore fishing. So let's watch and we'll show you how to get it installed. Mike's boat has the Professional Series GS500 from Taco. He's also got the 20-foot carbon fiber twist and lock poles. Mike has chosen to wrap these halyard lines around the base, but the Outrigger line tensioner allows you to adjust right from the gunnel and run straight from the gunnel when you're running offshore. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, before we get started on this really easy installation, one thing that you want to make sure that you do is have clear access. There's no wiring, no brackets, nothing that the builder would have installed underneath the gunnel. We've got a really good spot, and I'm going to show you where that is. What I've done is checked underneath the gunnel, made sure we had clear access and that there's no wiring. We've chosen this spot right here, just aft of this rod holder, so we'll miss any backing plate and miss any other air box or wiring that's located underneath the gunnel here. So we're going to put it right here. To install the Outrigger line tensioners, you don't need a whole lot of tools, and you'll be able to get what you have right out of your garage. Basically, you're going to need some standard drill bits, a cordless drill, some marine sealant, a lighter, a couple of wrenches, and a 3/4 inch hole saw or spade bit. Before we actually install this piece of equipment, I wanted to use the edge of this fillet table to show you how it works and demonstrate its operation. First, let me talk to you about the quality of the product. It's a 3/16 stainless piece of equipment, highly manufactured and well put together. It's got a couple of really nice cam cleats that I'm going to show you the operation of here shortly. So let me show you exactly how this works. You would take your 1/4 inch rope, run right down through this hole, through the bottom, and then what it does is actually from underneath, you would pull it down tight, and then what it does is it keeps your halyard lines tight without slippage, and it does a great job. Easy to adjust, pull up in case you want to run, and then pull back down through when it's time to set your halyards again. Great, great technology. We've marked our location, made sure that nothing's underneath it, no wiring, no brackets or anything, and I'm going to take this cordless drill with our standard drill bit, no more than 1/8 inch, and drill a pilot hole so that we can get this thing going. The next step after you drill your pilot hole is to get your 3/4 inch spade bit or hole saw and get the hole bigger so that you can get your Outrigger line tensioner bolt through. After you've got your 3/4 inch hole drilled, the next thing you want to do is make sure you've got some marine grade sealant that you put on the bolt underside of it, so that way it protects all of the fiberglass and the hole to where you've drilled so that water doesn't intrude. Let me show you how to do that. At this point, all you do is cut a small hole in the tip of the sealant and make a nice clean bead right around the hole. You don't need a whole lot. You simply take your Outrigger line tensioner bolt, place it through the hole, press it down, and as you can see, it'll ooze out the sides. And one really neat trick I've found when working with sealant on a boat is WD-40. It's a fantastic product for cleaning. So you take your rag, put your little WD-40 on there, and go right around it. Cleans up nice. You got your sealant underneath for protection, but no residue on the outside. Like I said earlier, there's nothing really hard about installing the Outrigger line tensioner, but it is a little bit awkward in this step because you're going to be working on your back from underneath the gunnel. You'll take the bottom part of the line tensioner and slide it through the hole right over top of the bolt that went through the top of the gunnel. And then with supplied products, the stainless steel lock washer and stainless steel nut, follows that right onto the bolt. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You can position this in any direction you need for your particular application. On this boat, it's going to be better for the cam cleats to be facing forward. It makes it easier for when the rope comes down through to be able to grab and position properly for your outriggers. Also, want to make sure to put a little bit of sealant right on the top of this just to help it stay in place and keep water intrusion out. I want to show you real quickly how this is engineered so that you can tighten it. On the sides of the bolt, there's a couple of flat spots that have been machined right into it so that your wrench can fit right over them and tighten up, and it acts as a nut as the other wrench is holding the stainless steel nut itself. So you can tighten or loosen just like this. Okay, now that it's installed, here we are. What it's going to do is going to turn this, which is a halyard pulley and a toe catching eye strap, into a nice flush mushroom shaped stainless steel accessory that you can pull tight right down through the gunnel. Let's check it out. Here we are at the completion of the installation of the Outrigger line tensioner. What a great product. It turned these halyard lines into an easily retractable to the back or to the side with just the length of the rope and the simple adjustment from underneath. No more attaching to a toe kick. And I tell you what, it's a fabulous looking product and it's easy to install. So we appreciate you being part of this with us. Again, I'm Captain Mark Henderson with Taco Marine and the Liquid Fire Fishing Team. Visit us on all of our social media, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, tacomarine.com.